The Nigerian Army says troops of 13 Brigade have successfully rescued 8 civilians abducted from the Cameroon waterways in Cross River State. According to a statement by the Assistant Director, Army Public Relations Major Yemi Sokoya, the rescue followed a swift response to a distress call received on December 29, 2025. Troops operating from the Forward Operating Base in Ikang acted on credible intelligence provided by members of the local community, indicating that suspected militants had intercepted a commercial boat and abducted 6 adults and 2 minors. Security forces immediately pursued the perpetrators, blocked escape routes, and secured the waterways. Under pressure, the militants abandoned the victims at Ini Abasi fishing port and fled into nearby creeks and the high seas. All 8 civilians were rescued safely and later released. No casualties were recorded. Commending the operation, the commander of 13th Brigade, Brigadier General P.O. Ali Mikena, praised the troops' professionalism and thanked the local community for timely intelligence, assuring residents of sustained patrols to curb criminal activities along the waterways. Meanwhile, multi-million naira worth of goods were destroyed after fire gutted the popular Sango shopping complex in Ibadan, North local government area of Oyo State. Eyewitnesses say the fire started in one shop and rapidly spread before firefighters arrived. Traders and residents attempted to contain the blaze, but their efforts proved unsuccessful. The combined intervention of Oyo State and Federal Fire Services prevented the fire from spreading beyond 8 out of 84 shops, and no lives were lost. Confirming the incident, the chairman of the Fire Services Agency, Dr. Moruf Akinwande, said the cause of the fire is still under investigation and urged the public to install fire extinguishers to prevent future incidents. In Abuja, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, is set to arraign former Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, and his son on 16 counts of money laundering at the Federal High Court. The charges allege the laundering of billions of naira through bank accounts and property acquisitions across Abuja, Kano, and Kebbi states between 2015 and 2025. The EFCC says it will call several witnesses, including bank officials and financial experts, as the case proceeds before Justice Emeka Nwite. In another development, the Nigerian Independent System Operator, NISO, has confirmed that power supply has been fully restored nationwide following a partial collapse of the national grid on Monday. NISO said the disturbance, which occurred at about 2:01 p.m., was linked to the tripping of generating units and transmission lines worsened by the earlier vandalization of Lagos Eco-Versus gas pipeline. Investigations are ongoing while measures are being implemented to prevent future occurrences. In sports, 4 key Super Eagles players are on the brink of suspension ahead of Nigeria's final Group C match against Uganda. Victor Osimhen, Ademola Lookman, Semi Ajayi, and goalkeeper Stanley Nwabali are each 1 yellow card away from missing the knockout stage. Nigeria has already secured qualification for the round of 16 after wins over Tanzania and Tunisia, but the players must exercise caution to avoid suspension. This is Sleep TV.